Today I'll show how to buy shares of SJM Holdings Ltd, the Macau casino and hospitality operator that trades on the HKEX under the ticker 00880HK. This guide is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to walk through the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an ID document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker 00880HK to find the listing. Make sure you select the result that matches SJM Holdings Ltd on HKEX. Open the SJM Holdings Ltd asset page to review basic company information and the live price chart. Confirm the listing shows 00880HK before proceeding to trade. To place an order, click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, and choose your order type. Then review the details. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading resumes, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. After the purchase, the position will appear in your portfolio, so you can monitor it. A link to the platform is in the description if you want to visit eToro for more information.